If Australia is not making the high value products of the future, we're not going to be part of the global supply chains. And this is the bit that scares me. This is the bit that really drives me to come to work every day. Where are the jobs going to be for our future generations if we can't be part of manufacturing? Manufacturing, if it's not a service, you're manufacturing something. It's an important part of what a high value, high skilled country needs to be able to do. And if we don't have those skills, we're going to be relegated to low service level jobs.
Yep.
And we'll be like the playground of all the rich countries. And we want our children to have the same lifestyle expectations that we've had. And part of that is keeping the high value jobs, being able to make things, being at the smart end of making those things. That's what we need to do here. And the ARM Hub is really about making sure the capability that sits in our universities, our graduates, our professors,